Hello. In the last lesson we talked about nitrogen. Today we will talk about ammonia. Ammonia is a colorless, highly irritating gas with a sharp suffocating odor. It dissolves easily in water to form ammonium hydroxide solution. And here a diagram of the ammonium molecule with dots and crosses. The last layer or shape of nitrogen has 5 electrons, 3 of which are bound of hydrogen and 1 lone pair. The nitrogen atom causes ammonia molecules to have a pyramidal shape. And how is ammonia obtained in the laboratory? We put in the test tube ammonia chloride and the calcium hydroxide and heat, and we use calcium oxide to try the ammonia, and we can check litmus paper damp red to turns blue. And here we can see chemical reactions about ammonia in the laboratory. And the ammonia combines hydrogen ion is electron deficient. Ammonia molecule has a lone pair of electrons, and on the nitrogen atom provides both electrons for the bond. And donated to an hydrogen ion from an acid, forming coordinate covalent bond. Ammonia is acting as a base in this reaction because it's accepting an hydrogen ion. And what is ammonia used for? About 80% of the ammonia produced by industry is used in agriculture as fertilizer. Ammonia is also used as in the manufacture of plastics, textiles, and other chemicals. Goodbye.